All right, so this is notes over 11.7. 11.7 is the volume of pyramids and cones. So once again, you got your base. And what we do, instead of just doing base times height, we take it times a third. Because you can get a third of the volume based on the height of the prism. And the 2/3 is not covered. So, we're just going to work through some volume problems. Volume of the solid. This is a right triangular pyramid. So the base, I have a length and a width, or a length and a height. So this is base. This is height of the triangle. This one is height of the prism. Pyramid, because I'm not on a prism anymore. So this would be 4 times 6 times a half equals b, which equals 12. So 1/3 times 12 times 9 gives me the wonderful answer of 36. And if you're worried about the label, meters cubed. This one is oblique, and it is a cylinder. So on the, not cylinder, sorry, it's a circle on the bottom, which makes it a cone, and I always screw those up still. Oh, I need to stop that. So volume equals 1/3 base times height, or 1/3 pi r squared height. So 1/3 pi times 2.2 squared times 4.5. 2.2 squared is 22 times 22, which is a big number, and I have no idea what it is. So I get 1/3 pi times 4.84 times 4.5, which gives me pi third. So 4.84 times 4.5 is 21.78 pi cubed. Or I would take 21.78 times pi divided by 3, and I'm going to get approximately 22.81 centimeters cubed. Make sure you do the top multiplication first and then divide by 3. Or take 21.78 divided by 3 times pi. Alright. Pyramid. We're going to skip example number 2. We're not going to work backwards, so don't worry about it. Find the volume of the solid. 1/3 base times height. 1/3 pi r squared times height. So 1/3 pi times 25. I don't know the height, so I need to figure that out. Got the 25 by 5 squared. This is an 8, so I need 5 squared plus height squared equals 8 squared. 25 plus height squared equals 64. 64 minus 25 is 39, so height squared equals 39. Height equals the square root of 39, if you want to be exact. Or, approximately, going 3 decimal places, 6.245. So either one, I'm going to multiply by 6.245. So 1/3 pi, all this, multiply it out. 25 times 6.245 divide by 3. So I could divide and get approximately 52.042 pi, Or just multiply this all out as 1 divided by 3 times pi times 25 times 6.245 gives me approximately 163.49. Gives me a 4, but I'm not going to round. Or if I take 52.042 times pi, I get roughly the same answer. So either one of these would work. On number 2, you need to do some trig to find this one here. So this is height, this is base, so this is opposite, this is adjacent. So I'm going to go tangent of 70 equals 25 divided by radius, which is my opposite, or my adjacent side, excuse me. So that's adjacent. R equals 25 divided by tangent of 70. Apologize, off the screen there. 25 divided by tangent 70. R is approximately 9.10 with rounding. So with that, radius is 9.1, so I have 1/3 base times height, which equals 1/3 pi r squared height, 1/3 pi times 9.1 squared times 25. So I'm going to go 1 divided by 3 times 9.1 squared times 25, 690.083 pi, approximately. Or if I want to multiply that out, second pi, second answer, approximately 2167.96. Last but not least, we have this composite. Don't worry about it. But if you want to find the volume of the cubed, would be 6 times 6 times 6, which equals 6 cubed, 216. Volume of the pyramid would be base times height divided by 3, which equals the area of the base, which would be 6 times 6, times the height of 6 divided by 3, which equals 216 divided by 3, which you can't see any of that, Pomeroy. Come on, what's up with you? Equals 72. So 216 plus 72 equals 288.